It's not my family. Hey guys!
Hello friends of internet! Today we are looking at some drugstore products that are under $20 to $30, which are pretty humble and affordable, and surprisingly goddamn amazing. Hey YouTube, it's been so long since I have ever posted a video. I'm actually currently working at a corporate firm and I am pretty busy as of late, and if you guys have ever noticed, I actually started a beauty makeup page on Instagram, and if you haven't followed, go follow it now. If you're interested in makeup, definitely I think that's a really great platform for us to engage and talk. Okay, so let's get started with the drugstore makeup. Okay, firstly I'm just gonna use this LA Girl Pro primer. I think it's pretty good, and then next up it's the CATRICE liquid foundation. I saw Tati using it and I really like her as a YouTuber and like a beauty guru. I think she's really real and raw, and she just doesn't hold back with her opinions and reviews on certain products. And right now I'm still using this orange Real Technique sponge. Lately I have not been using sponges. I usually use the Morphe brush, but in this video I told you guys it was pre-recorded, so I was still using the sponge. But anyways, as of late I've been loving like Netflix shows. I'm watching I finished Umbrella Academy, Working Moms. Oh my god, great show. And I watched The Letdown as well. I think it's pretty good, and I'm hoping that Peaky Blinders will be back ASAP. And then next up I'm using this CATRICE concealer as well. It's a little bit too light for my skin tone, but I think the consistency and the formula of it's great. And then using this Essence Matte powder. I bought the wrong one. I wanted to buy the one that is waterproof and have a waterproof test with you guys, but oh wells, what can you expect from me? And then I'm using this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I love it, and you can get this at Dolls Out Beauty. I will link the website down below, and all the other drugstore products can be bought at Guardian or Watsons in Singapore. Okay, so as of late I am loving Netflix shows. That's like my only stress-free time. And then also I'm using this NYX eyebrow pencil. It's like $16. It's not sold at Singapore's drugstore, but it's still fairly affordable, and I like the color of it also. I think it actually feathers out my brows pretty well. And then next up I'm just using this e.l.f. Contour palette, and then contour my nose. Honestly, is this video even before my double eyelid surgery? I can see myself wearing double eyelid tapes. Oh my gosh, it's been so freaking long, dude. And like, I was filming right outside my balcony. It was so freaking warm. And then I'm using this e.l.f. Blush palette as well. I like the packaging of this e.l.f. palette, especially because this is like legit silver packaging. It's so cute, not like the usual cheap one. And then I'm also using the SEPHORA brown eyeliner and the gel liner from Cyber Colors, which you can buy from SASA as well. I think SASA is a pretty good drugstore in Singapore. Pretty amazing. It's just selling all this Japanese stuff. This Heroine make mascara can be bought at SASA as well. It's like a Asian Sephora kind of thing, and it has a lot of branches in Singapore as well. And then as you can see, I'm like underlining my waterline with the brown gel liner. I think Cyber Colors, it's a Hong Kong brand. Oh wow, lashes. Look at them lashes. This Heroine make mascara, it's amazing. And then right now I'm just using this really cool Sephora eyeliner thingy. And then to brighten my eyes, I'm just using this NYX highlighter pencil kind of thing. And I actually bought this way long ago when Jen Im actually recommended it. And then I'm just using this cult favorite Colourpop Super Shocking Chick in Flexitarian. I don't know why like I was so heavy-handed with my highlighter. But this another one, it's Physician Formula, and it's the highlighter. Apparently it's really blinding, but I think the color is a little bit too light for my skin tone. But if you know you're fair, then yeah, sure, go get it. And then also I'm just like piling up highlighters. So this other one is from ELF. It's the powder highlighter. I know Singapore stores, like drugstores, there are not really, they don't really have ELF products. So if you guys really want to get all these ELF products that I featured on this video, you guys can go get it at Dorsalt Beauty. I will link the website down below in the description box. And yeah, oh my gosh, I look pretty cute in this blush rose lippy by ELF. Everything, it's pretty affordable, and then I'm just using this LA Girl spray, and ta-da! I am done. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I recorded this like voiceover in one go. Like today is just super chill. I'm just like doing my thing. Yeah, feeling it, girl. Alright, so I'll just see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys like it. Oh, please look at the background where I'm wearing like a cute top with red Adidas shorts, and yeah. Anyway, I made a whole mess at the balcony, so I just got scolded right after this video. Okay, anyways, bye! See you guys soon!